Hello and welcome. I'm Dom Hale for Mining Magazine and Australia Mining Monthly's 2024 Automated Mines Report. I'm here today with James Dutchman, Principal Engineering Geologist at SRK Consulting. He's going to be talking about SRK's work around machine learning-driven systems. James, welcome. It's good to have you here.
Hi, Dominic. Pleasure to be speaking with you today.
James, I want to begin by asking you, what is SRK's view on the adoption of new technologies and systems in the mining sector? And what makes them best able to adapt to evolving mining conditions?
So technology has always played an important role within the mining sector, and we believe that continued adoption of new technologies and systems is going to be essential in ensuring future success, address new challenges, as well as managing emerging risks. As we've seen with more rigorous standards, greater expectations from stakeholders, the adoption and implementation of new technology is certainly going to play a crucial role in providing solutions that will ensure continuity and sustainability of mining activities. Some examples: mining automation, cloud computing, robotic processes, automation, big data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are just a few of these types of technologies that we're seeing more abundance with across the mining sector. We've also seen the integration of IoT and machine learning in the mining space, and provides tools for smarter, safer, and more efficient operations. And these technologies not only improve productivity, but also contribute to safe, sustainable mining practices. And with a strategic focus on health and safety, sustainable practices, good governance, and overall transparency, mine operators, as well as contractors and consultants like ourselves at SRK, can combine these industrial applications and these technologies with industry innovation and leading practices to essentially generate actionable insights and valuable information, whereby improving our decision-making process. And in many disciplines across our business, we've already started to implement these types of technologies and systems, such as IoT and machine learning, to support the work that we do for our clients.
Okay, so how has the Internet of Things enabled SRK to better support data insights for mining companies?
Okay, so there's a few aspects. A lot of these monitoring systems and IoT devices, they do require a level of architecture, obviously deployment and integration, so that we can clearly define and understand their functional viewpoints. The Internet of Things obviously provides collaboration between systems and networks, allows data collection, data analysis, as well as creating environments for stakeholders to interact with the networks and ultimately have more visibility of the data and information that's available. We also see that real-time data collection and data frequency is also improving these types of workflows, making data more visible to a wide range of stakeholders across operations. We also see the benefits of remote monitoring. We're able to access data in near real time without not necessarily going to a site and observing these things. We can do it remotely. It enables control. We're able to look at mining operations, specific caveats within the processes. We're able to look at the data that's collected from these sensors to make more informed decisions and ultimately optimize the way that we do things and the processes that we adopt. The Internet of Things has significantly enhanced our ability to support data insights for mining companies, and it's also enabling us to get real-time data insights, enabling us to analyze data much quicker, and essentially be able to provide our clients with quick turnarounds, more data-driven insights to help reduce risk and make their activities more optimal and safer, essentially. We see that more accurate and predictive maintenance, optimizing operations and improving safety is one of the key areas that we're seeing a lot of movement within the mining sector. And ultimately, SRK is leveraging these technologies themselves, not only to support the clients and the services that we provide, but also improve our internal systems and structure to support those goals.
Understood. So what then would you highlight as the key challenges in introducing new systems like IoT and machine learning, and how can these be overcome?
Successful digital adoption goes beyond the technology and the requirements of just implementing. There needs to be an adoption of a digital framework that includes strategy alignment, people and change management, business and operational processes, as well as data management regimes, and of course, choosing the correct technology. Integrating with existing systems and legacy systems is also complex, and overcoming these requirements through careful planning and implementation is needed to minimize disruptions. Data management is a big part of this. Handling large volumes of data can sometimes be overwhelming, so making sure that you've got robust data management and storage solutions is essential. In addition to that, you've got security concerns. IoT devices can be vulnerable, and therefore having the right cybersecurity and cyber resilience is an important challenge that needs to be addressed when selecting these types of systems, especially when you're integrating these systems and using cloud storage, for example. Another area and challenge is the skills gap. As we start to adopt new systems and platforms and new technologies, training and upskilling staff to bridge the gaps is also a key requirement. We've also seen that costs can be high, and OPEX costs can also be expensive when investing in these types of technologies and systems. But ultimately, we need to address these challenges with strategic planning, training, and the appropriate investment, and integration into systems and technologies such as IoT and ML can be successfully achieved.
Understood. So how does SRK leverage these technologies to support safety and risk mitigation?
So SRK uses a lot of our own technology and our own systems, but obviously we also support our clients in their digital transformation and adopting and implementing their systems. By a combination of both SRK as well as our clients working together, we're able to start to monitor a lot of our services or our mining assets on behalf of our clients in near real time, and in some cases in real time, providing continuous monitoring for environmental conditions, equipment status, allowing determination and detection of anomalies and safety risks at an early stage. Through greater data visibility and greater frequency of data, we're able to implement predictive maintenance and predictive analytics using machine learning to help support our clients reduce accidents and downtime. We also, and largely, we get a lot of insights through data-driven analysis, looking at predictive analytics, advanced data analytics, so that we can better inform of the risks and safety concerns across a number of assets within the mining field, and obviously advise our clients on remedial measures and controls thereof. We're able to support emergency response aspects of mining by helping and informing our clients of changes from deviation or baseline conditions. And ultimately, these technologies improve the safety and outcomes and reduce operational risks for our clients. And SRK leverages these top technologies, as I mentioned before, not only to support our clients, but also to improve our own internal systems and processes. And one example where we're using this technology and leveraging it is in the tailings management space, where we're using IoT devices and systems to collect data on a high frequency basis, enabling us to utilize machine learning as well as advanced data analytics to better understand the risk profile and the performance of these facilities, so that we can make more risk-based and data-driven decision making for our clients.
Fascinating stuff. So I want to move on to ask you, what other developments are you most excited about, and why, for their potential to accelerate the transition to a truly automated and digital mining environment?
So there's quite a wide range of digital and technology developments within the mining sector and within the mining environment. Some of the ones a lot of people are aware of, we've seen strong 5G connectivity improvements, enabling better network connectivity, lower latency, and higher speed internet. We're seeing advanced robotics and automation come in, particularly in underground and open cast mining. We've also seen digital twins being used more and more within the mining space, and that provides simulations for optimization and improved planning, as well as risk management. We've even seen blockchain technology start to come in to help improve transparency and governance and work on contractual items. But of course, AI, machine learning, those are big technologies that have come in and have started to make a positive difference. Within SRK, we've seen considerable improvements using these types of technologies, as I've mentioned, both in the exploration and mineral exploration space. A lot of adoption and implementation of these types of technologies in environmental social governance. And again, as I mentioned, tailings management and performance monitoring. And we feel that these type of innovations are paving the way for more efficient, safe, and sustainable mining practices.
So finally, James, on that front, how is SRK's work in this field helping to promote sustainability and transparency, as well as impressive value gains in the mining sector?
So these technologies have supported not only our internal processes and systems, which enables our engineers and scientists to focus on, engineering first principles, and able to drive and deliver a more focused service using the technology to do a lot of the legwork, the data structuring, and so forth. And all of these different areas are helping us and to give better insights for our clients in resource optimization, environmental monitoring aspects, reporting and transparency, efficiency improvements, ultimately reducing risk and increasing visibility, governance, and all of the good things that we need to support our clients in achieving throughout the whole value chain and across the mining environment.
Well, thank you very much, James. It's been enlightening. I've been speaking with James Dutchman of SRK Consulting. I'm Dom Hale. Thank you for watching.